Hey guys, check out our Arlington Meadows Kipling transitional model home located in Fuquay Varina. Try not to be biased, but this is one of my favorite floor plans because I love the Kipling home, but also I love the transitional because of this butler's pantry. This home has a great open kitchen that's L-shaped, so plenty of storage with lots of cabinetry and countertop space. Shown here is our true space, which is featured as a study, but we do have very many different options with this one, including making it a bedroom and bathroom downstairs. Floor plan is 2,764 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage with a study, butler's pantry, and the game room. This floor plan starts at $506, and we do have pre-sale opportunities and quick move-ins here in Fuquay. So if you'd like to stop by, contact me for an appointment.